In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command All-In-One 2x16 panel. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when your system panel's trouble light is illuminated. A low battery message appears in the display and when you get an alert in your ADT control app. First, make sure you have everything you need to change the battery. Remember, to maintain your system's warranty, this battery must be purchased from ADT. You can order on help.adt.com by clicking the chat button or by logging in to your myadt.com account. Now, let's begin. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system by entering your user code and tapping 1 on the keypad. Then follow these steps to shut the system down. This should stop tamper alerts, beeps, or notifications from happening while you work. You're now ready to change the battery. Since the battery pack is located inside the panel, you'll need to take the panel off the backplate to access it. Using a small electrically insulated screwdriver, remove the bottom screw that's securing the panel to the backplate. Slide the panel up and off the backplate, being careful not to damage the connected wiring. You may hear a tamper sound or beeping from the panel during this process. Don't worry, this is normal. Now, gently disconnect the old battery pack's 3-prong plug. Remove the screw securing the battery retainer. Be sure to hang on to it for later. Then remove the battery retainer and carefully pull the used battery pack from the compartment. With the connector cable positioned to the right, place the new battery pack into the compartment. Reinstall the battery retainer clip and replace the screw. Now, insert the battery's 3-prong plug into the receptacle inside the panel. To remount or close the device, align the grooves on the back and sides of the panel with the hooks and grooves on the backplate. Slide the panel down onto the backplate until it clicks in place, and make sure the panel is completely seated in the backplate. Then, insert the bottom screw and secure the panel to the backplate. For desk stand users, once the screw is secured, place the plug back into the electrical outlet. If a tamper alert was activated, you'll want to clear the alert and stop the beeping. On your Command All-In-One 2x16 panel, enter your user code and 1. Then repeat the sequence. This should stop the beeping. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Panel. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.